guys. So this looks like where they park up all the longboats I found. There's quite a few here. Like a mangrove swamp. It's pretty cool. These engines are awesome on these boats. Two cats, you know that. Morning, you beautiful people. It's not the same t-shirt, it's a different one. I've had it washed, I've had them all washed. Hope everyone's fine. So today I'm going to go to I'm going to go and have a little walk at that park we went to yesterday. I'm going to have a nose around there, but I'm just on the way, I'm just sort of zipping around near where I am, and I found this place where you've just seen some clips of it, like a boatyard type thing. And there's some boats, long boats here. Oh, there's a cat here, look. Hello. Hello. So over here, the long boats they're building. Pretty cool. A brand new one there, like this over the back there. Not been finished yet. Yeah, so pretty interesting. Hello, mate. Hello. 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 Cats everywhere. I think it's just the boat. The boats must bring the fish in. I think it's beautiful. Look at them. Everyone's cooking. Right guys, so this is that place, paid me 200 baht. Shame I'm not Thai because it's only 40 if you Thai, but that's the way it is. Got a little pond here with some fishing, blah blah blah. Little bamboo bridge. Oh, the frog. See me at the frog. Okay, let's start and see what we can find. So pretty much island of nowhere, and you get this, so it's quite pretty. It's like a little waterfall, it's a few small fish in there that I can see. So look, water's crystal clear as you can see. Tiny little fish. So looking at the little map there guys, I think it's about 3.7k up. So just over a couple of miles I think it is, I'm not sure. So they say it's about 4 hours. I'm sure it ain't that long, but it could be if I start looking around a bit and start wasting time and nosing at things that not many people see, which would be pretty cool. But let's see what happens. Let's see how it goes and see what's up here. Alright guys, not long into the journey, probably, I don't know, 5 minutes. Found a nice spider, if you like spiders. I don't really like them, but go check it out. It's quite a big boy. Wouldn't like that on your face. Wow. I'm about okay. 1.5k up. Jesus, it's steep, it's hot, but we're getting there. Guys, I hope this is worth it. Jesus, it's a long way up. I think probably up here, because there's a tree down there. But yeah, it's a long way. So, well, it's not a long way, it just feels like a long way, because you're just going up and up and up in this fucking humidity. Right, I don't know if this is the right way or not. Yeah, it must be, because look. Ooh. Trip hazard. Okay. Oh. And up we go. I'm out of breath. Okay, I'll see you at the top. I'm not one to give in, but bloody hell, I need a breather. I'm going up them steps, yeah. Okay, we're at 1.5k. Health and safety's gone out the window. Handrails fell off. It's beautiful, but God, I'm hot. Jesus. Guys, I know it's hot and I'm knackered, but it is truly stunning still. As you know, I'm a big lover of jungles. This is one of the hardest climbs I've done for a long time, and at 61 it's not easy, but as long as I keep doing it, I should maintain fit and stay looking young and healthy at my age. I wonder what that is. It's got to be a bird, or no, it's probably an insect. It's got to be an insect. 45 minutes in, guys, 1.5 miles, and still going upwards. Must be a few metres this one up. I tell you, good job I set my watch. Be able to tell how many metres up it is, but it's a long way. And it's steep. Guys, okay, look at these tree roots, the way they intertwine and twine all the way up. You never know which tree they're from. They go all the way up there, and that's where I've got to go. All the way up there. Man, all I've had is a cup of shit coffee and 2 gels and me B1 tablet, and that's about it. So I've got a bottle of water this time though, that's good. Keep on going. You know, I said there was a view, and I got a glimpse of it. I'm not at the top yet, but there's the view. Shit on my... Oh, that was a climb, bruv. Oh, look at that though. I hope you can see that. Oh my God. Stunning. Absolutely stunning. Jesus Christ, that's breathtaking. Look at that. My God, guys. Oh, I so hope you can see this properly. When we get back on, I'll have a look on the camera. If not, I might do it in black and white so you get the contours as well, so you get a bit of both. But Jesus, look at it. Oh, man, that is stunning. Absolutely stunning. There's a couple of trees here, and this big one, that are totally different colours to all the rest. I wonder why that is. I wonder if it's just a disease or it's just the way the tree is. Hour, 2.5k, still going up. Relentless, relentless. But I'm hoping to be good. Right guys, I'm guessing I've got another k to go. I think it was 3.5k, and that sign said 2.5k. So, but then there was a V in the path and I didn't know which one to go, so I took the hardest one, which was through the roots, which I've been doing most of the way, so I'm imagining that is the one. I'm not sure, but we'll see how we get on. Whew. Oh man, I'm blowing out my arse. Noises, the little sounds, magical, absolutely magical. Look at the roots on this tree, right at the top here. I must be right at the very top of this mountain. Gotta be. Well guys, that's quite the view, isn't it? Ooh. Jesus, I do not want to slip. That's a freaking long way down. Man, this place is freaking amazing. The only trouble is, it's starting to rain, so there's a mist that is setting in over there. I mean, the rain is welcome without a doubt. And we're still going up this rock face here. See what's up there. Must be the very point of it. Shit, bro. You could jump off here with a parachute, easy. It's got to be done. I'm here now. Sorry about the breathing, guys. I'm a long way up, as you can see. Stand on a boulder, sheer drop, arsehole's flapping a bit, but hey, you only live once. In fact, you live a load, you die once. Do you know, I don't know what to say. I'm on a ledge here that sticks out. It's like goes underneath. It's a little bit hazy, but you expect that, we're a long way up. The guy just said 600 metres, but just look at it. It's, oh. I know I keep going on about how beautiful it is, but every time every corner's a different corner. Stunning. And this is a super view. Yeah, it's definitely fogging up now. Guys, I'd like to say I am tremendously grateful for being able to do what I can, because I know there's many people who can't. Yeah, the best. Right, now we start climbing down. Well, working my way back down, guys. Had a bit of a rainstorm back there. Got soaked. That was nice because it's so hot. It's now stopped and I think it's getting warm again. So that's good. But it was worth the journey. That was, yeah. So I'm like 3 hours in. So that's like 3 hours up and where it was on it. And I'm all the way back down again now. So I reckon time I get down it's going to be nearly 4 hours like they say. But yeah, it's a mish. But it's really worth it. 100% worth it. Okay guys, that was the Khao natural trail. 3.7k. Right guys, on the left hand side down here there's a great big monitor lizard. I don't know if it's still going to be there, but I'll turn around to see if I can get him. Let's see. It's a big boy. It's not a water monitor, it's a big monitor. He's still there, he's still there. Son. So by the look of it guys, this is that estuary that I was on this morning. So you know when first thing this morning we were looking around the old fishing boats, I think they're further up around that corner around there, and they sort of come out this way, because obviously that's where I parked, you know, so yeah. Pretty cool though. We'll walk over to this island now, because I think you can walk this island when the tide's out like this. A rough bit of water right there. People screaming. the bit that you can get to when the tide's out like this, but you can't go on it. There's no climbing, so I don't think you want to climb on it anyway. You know, breaking your bleeding neck. But beautiful, absolutely beautiful. I just love all these mounds of rock. And, it's stunning. Just weird. I mean, the trouble is because it's rainy season, so you get a really sunny morning, and it starts to like this, and you can't really see. But I can see all the mountains and the rock formations in the distance. That is beautiful, absolutely beautiful. And all the boats coming back from PP Island now, by the look of it, which is something I will do over the next few days, or next week. Yeah, so by the look of it, the tide's actually coming in. So that's quite lucky, because I think it's going to flow back out again. Righto guys, that was a little walk on that beach, which I can't say the name of. Looks like it's going to rain a bit, so I'm heading back towards the bike. Going to jump on the scoot, head back and have a shower after that climb. I hope you enjoy it. I'm not sure about some more yet, but I'm sure I'll come up with something and I'll take you guys with it if I can. Anyway, you take care guys, love you, bye.